the Supreme Court is going to have a trial on Sabarimala temple. I'm not interested in the verdict. Do you believe that you will get a fair trial?
Fantastic question. So here are my answers. As someone who respects his profession and also the forum that he practices before, I'm putting my faith in that institution to be fair to our point of view and not be driven by the media narrative. I'm putting that faith. I'm hoping that my optimism will be justified. By that, I don't mean that the court must necessarily rule in our favor. I'm simply saying that the court must at least attempt to understand our position before having formed its opinions. Most importantly, the one thing that I draw huge inspiration from is that the biggest source of support in this entire movement have been the beautiful women of Kerala. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm inspired by one or two facts. One, that the devotees of the temple at least know for a fact that there are enough voices in court which represent their point of view in court. And therefore, they will not go unheard and they will certainly not go unvoiced. The second thing that I draw serious inspiration from is that of all the people, the one person on the bench who was convinced by our position was the lady on the bench. Out of the 5 people on the constitution bench, it was the lady who ultimately accepted and endorsed our position that the petition deserves to be dismissed. But someone who does not even make the statement that he or she believes in Ayyappa has no right of access to that particular temple because that is not a public place. That is not a picnic spot. That is not a cinema theater. It is a temple. Therefore, if you do not believe in a place of worship or what the place of worship stands for, and you do not believe in the fundamental tradition of the place, I repeat, and I'm absolutely open to being quoted on record, you do not have the right, you do not have the God-given right to enter that place.